Welcome back to Power Packs. I'm Joe.
And I'm Rachel. We are back in Green Bay after the Power Packs Live event here at PCMC. We had an action-packed week with over 60 companies and 15 suppliers in attendance.
Attendees witnessed 3 full days of industry information, networking, and multiple press demos. Our Ion hybrid digital machine ran over 400 feet per minute on a web width of 36 inches at a resolution of 1600 dpi.
The Ion ran 4 jobs consecutively without any changeovers in between. These jobs were comprised of different variable data designs, allowing our customers to meet the needs of all consumers. The versatility of the Ion was demonstrated by running both PET and 13-point board.
The other demos included the Fusion board press, which is designed for the folding carton market and ran at speeds of 2,000 feet per minute. The addition of a 2-deck outboard on the Fusion allows printers to do the additional front and backside printing, opening further avenues for customers.
PCMC is redefining the standards in the flexible packaging and folding carton markets with high speeds and wider web widths. With the constant need for innovation and a green future, PCMC stands as a leading innovator in the printing world.
We would like to thank everyone for attending Power Packs Live here in Green Bay.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned for future Power Pack videos. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.